Stop right there. If you have lawn fungus, don't use BioAdvanced fungus control. I'll reveal in this video why BioAdvanced fungus control doesn't live up to that promise, what we should be doing for our soil and our lawns. And at the end of the video, I'll provide you one free thing to help you not get fungus in the first place. BioAdvanced makes it sound like maybe this is some new progressive material, but when I look into it, I see it's been around since about 1981. That is about the time that synthetic fungicides started being used dramatically in home soils. So this is just another chemical fungicide, and there's a lot of them out there. Like many chemicals being used around our landscapes, around our homes, it doesn't make sense. Why do we want to use chemicals around our homes? These particular ones are bad for pollinators, they're bad for our pets, they're bad for waterways. My experience with using products like this is that they're ineffective. They make the problem more likely to reoccur. We are actually damaging the very thing that is the solution to this problem. Beneath this lawn and your lawn, there's an amazing array of life. There's an active community of all kinds of living organisms. There's bacteria, there's fungi, there's protozoa, there's good nematodes. When you spray chemicals like BioAdvanced fungus control, you are negatively impacting that ecosystem of tremendous life. So propiconazole is the only active ingredient, and it has a lot of negative realities to soil life. It inhibits soil enzyme activity, specifically a decrease in soil dehydrogenase, and that is more simply called DHA. Now DHA is a real important indicator of soil microbial activity and overall soil health. And the bottom line is they're impacting all the things we're trying to improve about soil, not damage. So let's not use chemicals on our soil. Let's instead build healthy soil. Healthy soil is the best combatant against all kinds of pests and diseases, including fungal disease. What's the best way to do this? Products like compost, products like earthworm castings. Or you can give our products a try, which are concentrated compost, and they build the soil with healthy life. Interestingly, the way healthy soil works is the good fungi that we're building are usually way stronger than these problematic disease-causing fungi. So what we want to do is build healthy life in the soil with beneficial fungi, beneficial bacteria, and those will defeat the weaker disease-causing ones. As long as we're conscious of what we're putting on our lawn, then we're going to have this thriving, growing soil food web underneath us that's always working for us. The whole idea of a landscape is being closer to nature. Let's use natural techniques. So we've established the importance of beneficial life. However, there's one free thing you can do to help prevent fungal disease, and it's really important. Fungal disease is prevalent when two conditions occur: heat and moisture. First, I'd like to have you focus on watering at the right time. We don't want water standing around. When you water at night, it stands around until the sun comes out. A better strategy, if it's possible, is to water right when the sun is coming up or right before the sun comes up, because you put on all the water that you need and then the sun dries it up and it's not standing, it's not stagnant. Second, make sure that you have a properly functioning irrigation system, and that's what we're working on here. Every year for the last 5 or 6 years in the summer, they've had fungal problems and they've also had dry problems. That's a classic example of an irrigation system that isn't delivering water evenly, and that's real important in having a good irrigation system. A lot of times that happens because you have this problem area, it's always dry, and so you think, I gotta water longer, I gotta water longer. And while you're watering longer, you have these other areas that do cover fine, and now they get too much water. If you're watering at the right time and you have a system that delivers water evenly, you have the ability to do the third really important thing, which is to water as little as possible. These uneven watering systems don't allow you to water as little as possible because you've always got an area that doesn't get much water and you got to leave the system on longer. That's our overall goal. Water as little as possible and have everything healthy and looks good. So you want to focus on proper watering and on feeding your soil, and don't fall victim to this trick of BioAdvanced. BioAdvanced makes it sound like it's a biological solution. It's not biological, it's chemical. If you're curious about 5 ingredients that can completely transform your soil, then check out this video here.